So here I'm going to call Rashida ma'am. Unmute yourself.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. How are you, Rashida ma'am?
I'm so.
Okay. So what is your full name?
My full name is Rashida Begum.
So Rashida ma'am, what do you do basically?
I'm housewife.
So currently, are you studying in Times English Center?
Yes, and currently I attend English center.
How do you feel about your online classes?
I feel very good online class.
Are you learning English with grammar or without grammar?
I learn English without grammar.
Do you go to the restaurant every day or sometimes with your family?
Sometimes I go to the student with my family.
Okay, good. So the most important thing is people are learning English nowadays for their various reasons because they find English very important for them. Could you tell me why do you want to learn English? Is it very necessary for you?
I want learn English because I want to improve my life. I can't travel abroad without English.
And where do you actually live in Bangladesh?
I live in Sylhet.
So can you say something amazing places of your Sylhet city?
Yes, Madhavkund is amazing places in Sylhet city.
Okay. So you have mentioned that Madhukundo is amazing places in your city.
Yeah,
One
yeah.
final questions for you that I'm going to ask you now. When will you come to Bangladesh? Do you miss Bangladesh sometimes?
Yes, yes, I miss lot of Bangladesh. I don't know when I go Bangladesh because of my family member abroad. All all family member abroad.
So that's why it is quite hard for you to say that you don't know when will you actually come Bangladesh again, but you miss
Yeah,
your
yeah,
country,
yes.
right? Okay.
Yeah, miss of lot.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for your nice timing. Thank you. Sumairul Shayeb, unmute yourself. Walaikum salam. How are you, Sumairul Shayeb?
I'm fine. And you, sir?
Alhamdulillah, I'm pretty much well. What is your full name?
My name is Sumair Islam Chaudhuri. Sir, you call me Sumairu.
Do you like practicing English in your free time?
Yes, sir. I like practicing English in my free time. I have a friend, and we will practice a fixed time in at night.
Okay, good, very good. So, in Times English Centers, you have completed almost 7 classes.
Yes, sir.
So, do you feel comfortable studying in Times English Center?
Sir, yes, I really enjoy it because it helps to improve my English and it's teach without grammar.
So, do you drink tea or coffee sometimes in online class?
Actually, I don't drink tea in online class.
Do you complete your homework appropriately?
Sir, I always try to complete my homework.
Do you like to listen Islamic lectures on YouTube channel?
Yes, sir. I like Dr. Zakir Naik, so I listen his speak for my improve my English.
Okay, good. Very nice thing. So, in future, will you use English in your platform?
Actually, I'm learning English for first of all, it is an international language, and secondly, it's open many doors for earning. And I am to be a digital marketer, and I also business able about, and it is need to higher education.
The final questions for you, which is should people learn English every day?
Of course, we have to learn English for our general education and communication, and it is also need our jobs.
Okay. Thank you, Sumairul Shaif, for your nice time. You have good length of accent and speaking skills. Abul Khair Shaif.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, Abul Khair Shaif?
I am very much well by the grace of Allah and you, sir.
Alhamdulillah, I'm doing well. So, what is your full name?
My full name Abul Khair Khan.
So, Abul Khair Shaib, do you practice English every day or sometimes?
Yes, I practice English every day.
My question is, I want to know about you. I mean, what do you do? Where do you work? Do you live in Bangladesh or do you live abroad? Okay, I want to know all of the informative.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My name is Abul Khair Khan. now I in Saudi Arabia, capital of Riyadh. I work a engineering company. I am a T-boy. My home district Chatpur, my police station Faridganj. My village, my family is here very much well. Alhamdulillah. That's it.
So it has been taken around 2 months. So you have already complete your 7 classes. So today is your 8 number class. How do you
Yes, sir.
feel about the classes of Times English Center?
Alhamdulillah, sir. I am very feel good because before I have some problem my working place. I sit my company reception. Alhamdulillah, last 8 months I formation company. I speak Arabic properly, so I have some problem speaking English. Alhamdulillah, 2 months I then better feel. Thank you so much, Times English Center.
So do you complete your every class of homework appropriately?
Some sir, I will brush tie because I sit reception. So when I have a time, I will try.
Can you make your dinner by yourself?
Yes, sir. Every time I make because I don't like hotel restaurant. I don't like.
Could you speak English before like that?
Yes, sir. Something because I intermediate complete. I study madrasa, so grammar is very hard. So I speak not fluently, but speak something. Inshallah, then I better feel.
Okay. So the another thing is, do you attend your English classes on time?
All time.
Do you want to be a fluent speaker in future?
Actually, I will best try, inshallah, speak fluently because my working place, I speak English fluently. Then I formation company and salary is good, inshallah, alhamdulillah. So I will best try, sir. I will best try, inshallah.
How do you know about Times English Center?
Sir, I know because notification coming Facebook 2 months ago, December last week. Ashik sir tell me without grammar, I am impressed.
So are you enjoying your all the classes?
Alhamdulillah, sir, very enjoys. Thank you so much, sir. Actually, thank you, Aramin Mannan sir and Ashikul Islam sir. So I am very enjoy, sir. Alhamdulillah, I improve day by day. Alhamdulillah. Inshallah.
Thank you. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.